See children, third bit exercise 1.5 third bit heading I am reading now. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. If it is given x is equal log 3 base 2 and y is equal log 5 base 2. So here given problem we have to write in terms of x and y. By using this, x is equal log 3 base 2 given, y is equal log 5 base 2 given. See, log 60 base 2 is equal 60 prime factors we have to find here. 2 3 is 6, 2 0 is 0, 2 1 is 2, 1 remains 10, 2 5 is 10, 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5. 60 is equal 2 into 2, 2 times 2 square into 3 into 5. 60 is equal 2 square into 3 into 5. Now log 60 base 2 is equal log 60. In place of 60, this prime factorization we can write here 2 square into 3 into 5. 2 square into 3 into 5 instead of base 2 base 2. Now log 2 square into 3 into 5 base 2. This we can write in the expanded form log 2 square base 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. According to which formula I write here log x y is equal log x plus log y. See, log 2 square base 2 plus log 3, instead into means or plus will come, log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. I write here formula this I write. Log xy is equal log x plus log xy is equal log x plus log y. According to this formula, log 2 square into 3 into 5 base 2 is equal log 2 square base 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2, log 5 base 2. See, log 2 square we can write as log 2 log 2. 2 comes here, 2 log 2 base 2, 2 log 2 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. X is equal log 3 base 2 given. So in place of log 3 base 2 is equal to x. So in place of log 3 base 2 we can write x. Log 5 base 2 is equal to what given here? Log 5 base 2 is equal to y. So this term is equal to y. See here, this term to this term, which formula we are applying here? Log x to the power of m is equal m log x. Log x to the power of m is equal m log x. This exponent comes left side of the log. So according to that, log 2 square is equal 2 log 2, 2 log 2 instead of base 2 plus x plus y. 2 into log 2 base 2 is equal to 1 plus x plus y. Log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Formula log a base a is equal to 1. Two into 1, 2 plus x plus y. This over. Next, fourth problem, log 6750 base 2. log 6750 base 2. See, log 6750 base 2 is equal 6750 prime factors I find here 6750. Once it is 0 is there, so we can take 2 divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. 1 remains 1 and 5 15. 2 7 is 14. 1 remains 1 and 10. 1 and 0 10. 2 5 is 10. Now once digit 5 is there, it is not divisible by 2. Then go to 3. 5 plus 7 12. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 plus 3 18. Sum of the digits is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 3 6 is 18. So this number is divisible by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 1 remains 1 and 5 15. 3 5 is 15. Again 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So we can take 3 again here. This number is divisible by 3. 3 3 is 9. 2 remains 2 and 2 22. 3 7 is 21. 1 and 5 15. 3 5 is 15. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5 is 15. So this number is divisible by 3. See, 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 1 remains 1 and 5 15. 3 5 is 15. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. Sum of the digits 8 is not divisible by 3. So this number 125 is not divisible by 3. Then go to 5. Anyway, here once digit is 5 is there. So this number is divisible by 5. We take 5. 5 2 is 5 2 is 10. 2 remains 2 and 5 25. 5 5 is 25. 5 5 is 25. 5 1 is 5. Okay. Now 6750 is equal to one time only 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 3 cube. 5 into 5 into 5, that is equal to 5 cube. That's mean 6750 is equal 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube. So here log 6750 base 2 is equal log, in place of 6750 this we write 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube. Instead of base 2, base 2. That is equal to, see now log 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube, expand this. Log 2 base 2 plus log 3 cube base 2 plus, I am writing this prime factorization. See, log 2 base 2 plus log 3 cube base 2 plus log 5 cube base 2. Log 5 cube base 2. Which formula? We used here. Log xy is equal log x plus log x plus log y. log x y is equal log x plus log y. According to that, log x y z model, three terms are there here. Log 2 base 2 plus log 3 cube base 2 plus log 5 cube base 2. In the next step, log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. Log 2 base 2 is equal to 1 plus log 3 cube base 2 is there. Log 3 cube, how can we write? 3 log 3. The 3 bring left side, here comes here left side of the log. 3 log 3. Log 3 cube is equal 3 log 3. Which formula? Log x to the power of m is equal to m log x. Instead of base 2, base 2. Plus log 5 cube is equal 3 log 5. Instead of base 2, base 2. Here log 3 cube is equal 3 log 3 instead of base 2, base 2 plus log 5 cube is equal 3 log 5 instead of base 2, base 2. Which formula? For this, which formula we have used? Log a base a is equal to 1. This one formula. And one more formula, log x to the power of m is equal m log x. In the step 2 formulas we have used here log a base a is equal to 1. For these two steps, log x to the power of m is equal to m log x. Once again you see log 2 base 2 is equal to 1 plus log 3 cube is equal to 3 log 3 instead of base 2, base 2 plus log 5 cube is equal to 3 log 5 instead of base 2, base 2. 1 plus 3, yeah, nothing means into 3 into log 3 base 2 is equal, x is equal to log 3 base 2. So log 3 base 2 is equal to x we can write. Plus 3 into log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2 is equal to y we can write. That is equal to 1 plus 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into y, 3y over. Right, we go to next bit. See fourth bit, expand the following. Expand the following. In this already I told first problem, third problem and fifth problem over. Only two problems homework I gave, that second one and fourth one. So we see now second and fourth. Second problem we see, heading I am not writing here, expand the following. Log 128 by 625. Log 128 by 625. Log 128 by 625 is equal. See, log x by y model is there. See, log x by y formula. Log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. Log x minus log y is equal to log x by y. That formula reverse back, right? Log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. X by y means here x minus y comes. So here log x by y model is there. This log 128 by 625 is equal to what we can write? Log 128 minus log 625. That is equal to log this 128 prime factors we find here. Two 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are 2. So 128 is equal to what we can write here? 128 is equal to how many times came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 to the power of 7 we can write. Like that, 625 factors so we find 5 1s are 5, 1 remains 12, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 2 remains 25, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Now 625 is equal 625 is equal 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 how many times repeated here? 4 times. So 5 to the power of 4 we have to write. 625 is equal 5 to the power of 4. Now log 128 minus log 625. State right. Log 128. In place of 128, 128 is equal to 2 to the power of 7. No. So in place of 125 we can write 2 to the power of 7. Minus log 625. 625 is equal to 5 to the power of 4. Now log 2 to the power of 7 is equal to 7 log 2. Minus log 5 to the power of 4 is equal to 4 log 5. 4 log 5. So this I am rubbing this here. Formula log x to the power of m is equal to m log x. Log x to the power of m is equal to m log x. So log